And so here today's episode I'm gonna tell you something like how effective is Ho'oponopono for breaking daily negative self-talk. Yes, daily doing the negative self-talk, it will be like how it will get effect and how we can remove those negative self-talk using with the Ho'oponopono. So before going to start, this is Nilakantam, manifestation coach and Ho'oponopono healer, and you can follow me on Instagram and social media. We are also having the podcast in Spotify and iTunes, Apple Music also. So let's get started. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian practice that involves using affirmations and self-forgiveness to improve one's relationship with themselves and the world around them. Okay, so while there is limited scientific evidence on the effectiveness of Ho'oponopono, specifically for breaking negative self-talk, some people have reported that this practice has helped them to become more self-compassionate and reduce negative self-talk. So we have to see the pros and cons, right? So it's worth nothing that everyone's experiences are unique, because everyone have their individual unique issues, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you are interested in trying Ho'oponopono for breaking negative self-talk, it may be helpful to approach it with an open-minded and an attitude of experimentation, because it's not like overnight thing. It's over time you can heal that, and I can say that I can say that it definitely worked. You may find that incorporating Ho'oponopono into your daily self-care routine can be helpful tool in reducing negative self-talk and improving your overall mental health and well-being. So, as I told you, Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian spiritual practice that involves repeating affirmations and expressing self-forgiveness as a way to improve one's relationship with themselves and the world around them. While some people have they got the positive results, so important to keep it in mind that everyone's experiences are indifferent. So additionally, Ho'oponopono should not be used as a substitute for professional medical or psychological treatment for any mental health issues. If you are interested, you can try it. It may be helpful to approach it with an open mind and attitude of experimentation, I already told you. And here the main purpose of doing Ho'oponopono is when you are doing self-talk, we unconsciously do lot of negative things. As the result of so many people after practicing Ho'oponopono can heal that negative emotions and negative fears and anxiety and depression, because it's my clients itself has got the results. So I can suggest that you can give a try, because there won't be any side effects for this. I will not say that stop the medication and do this. You have to do along with this whatever might be your issue, like any health issues or any mental health issues. If along with the medication you have to come practice this, then only you will get a good result. So I always suggest Ho'oponopono is a best treatment, because as the person who has invented itself is a doctor. Because it's a Hawaiian prayer, it's an ancient prayer that a lot of people have done this very years ago, and after that this was invented by the doctor itself. So doctor can heal the person, then why not you can heal yourself? So that's it, guys. Hope you people have liked this video and you got the information about this, how you can do this. And I have said that pros and cons itself. So if you want to do the experiment, you can try it, because everybody will do a lot of things to cure themselves. So it is also one good healing process. I'll always suggest to do this because a lot of people have got the results on repeating the 4 phrases and taking the responsibility of their mistakes and forgiving others and themselves, and thankfully to the things and situations, and loving themselves. So it's easy and it won't get any side effects, and I'll definitely suggest for this. So definitely, I, as per my my experience and other, when I have seen my other people experiences, I always suggest self-talk. Negative self-talk can be reduced, and it can be happen if you believe and if you trust and do that. So that's it, guys. Hope you will have liked this video. Give a like button, and the people who are seeing first time, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications. Also follow me on Instagram, and we have the special podcast platforms for Spotify and iTunes and Apple Music, and also some other platforms. You can find out me on Nilakantam. And if you want to be part of my Ho'oponopono healing process, you can check out the description box to get the detailed information. Thank you so much. We'll meet you with the next video. Bye bye. Take care.